Running a red. It's just before 1 p.m. and it's a sunny and warm December 1st. The dark blue Honda Accord hits the gas and runs a red light in a burst. I'm walking back from the auto repair shop where I dropped off my car at the wrong place, as it turns out. I walked past the right one on my route. I've been walking a bit lately since my car is in a state of distress. It's not the check engine light, which has been on forever. I think it's the thermostat that's blessing me this time. So, walking is slower than driving. We all know quicker is better. That's why we run red lights when we can, because life is short and we're real go-getters. No, I don't believe in karma, but I kind of believe in fate. I think if you run a red light, things get shuffled out of place. Of course, in an absolute sense, that can't be true. You can only be in one place at a time, and yet you can choose to be where you might not have been. And sometimes 2 nickels don't quite make a dime. So I'm walking right now back up Odell Avenue to my house, stretching time, becoming one with the view. I guess I don't mind. I'm a little tired. I'm happy that I dropped off my car. The inspection's expired. Seems that every part of life is contextualized and categorized and packaged and presented, and all we have to do is choose our discontents, put on our costumes, and play our parts. It seems that's been the truth right from the start. Then the Enlightenment, which wasn't for working people, but trickled its way down to everyday Joes and Veras, who managed to get themselves emancipated for 2 days a week, and only have to labor when they're not asleep. My teacher says there's nothing wrong. And certainly that's a philosophical position. I mean, does it matter that things could theoretically be in a better condition? Because things are the way they are. Seeing how it's unfurled is one way to get in touch with reality. We live, as Alan Watts used to say, in a wiggly world. One that's kind of hard for you to put your finger on. I mean, you can put your finger on things: a fork, a book, a cat, a piece of string. I mean, your nerves detect something and they send a signal up the chain, and that input gives you information that fills up your brain. But my point is, as they say, things are mostly made of space. So a Stradivarius violin is really wooden lace, made up of atoms bouncing around and doing their thing, even though it's been hundreds of years since the trees were cut down to make the box that makes that sound. And it's not like an atom just takes a day off. Although that kind of happens with uranium and such, an atom or a quark just says, "Ping! I'm out to lunch." So the guy put his foot on the gas to make it through a red light, and his Harvard blue Accord. It's just like that. Just someone or something pinging around through the universe, trying to find its happy place, a place of rest, if not blissful boredom, when the rushing is over, when you're finally back home. All right already. One day these things are going to be whatever. They're going to be edited. They're going to be beautiful. There'll be timestamps and everything, and it's all going to work out okay. Wish me luck on my car. Okay, bye.